Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. Let's move on to the biggest Bitcoin update for this year. Being very honest, I can clearly show you guys that we have probably nailed almost all of these moves on the higher time frame, like buying 15,000, selling 72,000, and all those lower time frame moves as well. Even though this one that we just bought 53Ks over here actually, and yeah, even the last move that was sub 55k, we nailed that as well, shorted this as well. Even though shorting now and still like uh, being in our position, there are several reasons to stay in this position. Like look at this, look at this, what happened before. Like uh, look at this weekly closure. Like this was bullish as well, but what happened after that was a big red candle having like minus 11% in a week. So minus 11% from the current levels might be like I'm just speculating over here, like $60,000. So to be honest, on the higher time frame, let's go on to monthly time frame. We guys can clearly see some ranges over here, range lows here, range highs here. So yeah, I'll be bullish if this one closes back above 69k. I'll be bullish, obviously. We also bought Solana, Pepe, and XRP over here as well. Solana is in extremely good profits, as well as PP as well, but XRP almost around still break even. But being very honest, I'm playing both sides, not being a perma bull or perma bear, but my high time frame bias remains the same. Sooner or later, we gonna witness $48,000. Yeah, sub 50 will come this year. Yeah, most probably sub 50 should come, and it will come. The reason is pretty simple. Like we are just overpriced because of several events of like the Trump one. Even though the before the Ethereum ETF one, we are actually overpriced over here. So what I think so is that $48,000 should come sooner or later. It might be straight down from here, or it might be a push again back to touch these levels, come back over here. And there's one more scenario, but I'm, to be honest, not going to bet against that one. That's like a sweep of highs again and come back towards the lows, like we have seen previously on several charts. Like look at this on the weekly time frame. Like over here, made an all-time high, came back, price went to sweep that. Here price went to sweep that again, and the price might go to sweep that again to stop out all the shorts, and then the price will definitely dump. But I'm gonna play both shorts over here as well, and over here if that comes. I'm still short and strong, and I'll be playing that short fully. Yeah, I have already shared that there's a possibility of taking out my stops, then move back up, and don't worry, I will short that as well. I will short that level as well. There's still a couple of months in the result of the US election, so probably we're gonna see a lot of chop, a lot of words, a lot of bad things coming in the next couple of weeks, couple of months, that will just let the price to somewhere around $50,000. So also you guys can clearly see this on the weekly time frame that we have actually taken out FVG, the recent FVG over here. If the price was bullish, this should not have came back from here again there. Bullish price action is like this: the first touch and goes. That's actually the bullish price action. This is something like a distribution. This is something like a distribution on the higher time frame. We might do manipulation over here, come back lower, or even start coming back from here. This is basically you guys can say that this is basically a clean distribution. This distribution will definitely lead to a big drawdown in the coming weeks, coming months. I'm not that type of influencer which, like, they will tell you about the all season is coming. They will tell you your Bitcoin is going to $100,000, and you guys will make you they will just make you guys happy to know that you guys are going to make money. This is the biggest bull run. But instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply wait and buy the retest and sell the highs. Like I already bought Pepe, I already bought Sol, like this. Look at this on the daily time frame. I have already bought this one over here, like this one, and I have bought this one. This is breaking out and still holding this one, and even I'm long on Pepe as well. And yeah, my long entry should be on Twitter, like this one. I'm still long from this position. Bought spot at 169 to 164, over here. So I'm pretty much bearish over here on the higher time frame, and I think so. Um, I have seen a lot of traders, a lot of big influencers being very bullish here, but to be honest, I'm not giving anything. I'm not giving a fuck about them. I'm just trading my levels, trading my plays, the way I mostly do like before. So I'm gonna do the same. Like this is what I think so is going to happen. The price is going to hit sub $50,000 levels. Yeah, I'm repeating. Yeah, this might turn bad. Like look at the weekly closure. Yeah, it is bullish. It might even do something like this. But eventually $50,000 sub 50 is a very big level, and that will come probably this year. Might be very early, might be a little bit delayed. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna play all these level on the alts like I'm doing before, like over here. So I'm still going to trade every single level, but the higher time frame bias remains the same. I just want to warn you guys that please don't just blindly ape on the Bitcoin right here at 67k. Even though it goes to 70k, I don't think so. You guys should ape here. Where were all those the perma bulls when the price was 15,000? When I was tweeting about this one, like buy everything below $16,000, buying Bitcoin for mid to long term here, and all of those guys were disappeared at these levels. None of them were bullish at this level. Now why I want to be bullish at this level? I'm definitely gonna be bearish at this level because I was bullish at this level. So this is what I think so. And yeah, let me tell you guys, after this will go back to all-time high. When everyone will be calling for bear market, this will go back to all-time high. And when everyone will start posting bull market super cycle, this will be over. So this is all my stuff. We're gonna make a lot of money over here, buying over here, selling over here. You guys already remember, all of those who are with me in the previous cycle, I still remember this bottom. We literally bought $32,000, $33,000 levels and exactly sold the $48,000 levels. I still remember. If any guy have any issue or want proof, he can definitely get it from me. I remember this. Even though I remember the long over here 40, I remember 39.6k was my stop loss, and this was after the sweep. Bought 40 and sold something around 66 or something like that. I remember exactly. So for the higher time frame moves, I was bullish over here, bullish here, always bullish here, even though bullish here, and all of my tools are on my timeline. So if even if this does like this, like goes 10,000 to the upside, I don't give a fuck. I still want sub 50s. So this is what my actual high time frame plan is. And in the end, just remember one thing, that I was bullish over here and I am bearish over here. I don't give a fuck about 10, 5 to 7,000 pumps. Yeah, I'll keep shorting. I will short here. If that gets stopped out, I'll short here. Like risking 1 hour to get like a sub $50,000 move. So I'm definitely going to risk it. And this was all the update. the final conclusion is, if you guys are bullish over here, if you guys are extremely bullish and looking for a super cycle toward $100,000, just don't bet more than what you guys cannot afford to lose. So this is the actual plan to let you guys know that don't bet, don't be overexposed to this market, don't bet more than you guys can afford. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm still pretty sure that even if it comes from here or it comes from here, this move will come. So why we guys should not basically wait. So this is all the update about high time frame. Pretty important update for me as well, and still I do think so that this is kind of trap, and it might trap you guys a bit more, but eventually this will die towards $50,000. That's it.